Tingnan po natin, sino po yung number 2 and number 5 po nung last election natin. And saan sila malakas na platform? TikTok. They dominated TikTok and tumaas po ang awareness po nila sa Gen Z and millennials.
And I think that wraps up our episode for today at the agenda. Borrowing what Professor Malu said earlier, that actionable information that I think both panelists provided, especially the numbers 33, 68, and 42. 33% of the Filipinos support impeachment of both. 42% support the impeachment against VP Sara. But an alarming 68% of the Filipinos support an impeachment against no less than our president. Alarming po, but at the same time, these are just data. And thank you, Professor Malu, for giving us your valuable insights. Martin, mabuhay ka. Continue your great job with Tangere. And in our program, tandaan po natin, always, mabuhay ang Panginoon, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.